Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've got a Discover gift card burning a hole in your pocket and you're itching to use it on Amazon, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to make this happen. It's easier than you might think, and it'll save you time and hassle when shopping for your favorite items. First things first, let's clarify. Discover gift cards are prepaid cards that can be used wherever Discover is accepted. And good news, Amazon accepts them as a payment method, just like a credit or debit card. To get started, make sure your Discover gift card is activated. Flip it over and follow the instructions on the back, or head to the Discover website to register it online. This step is crucial because an unactivated card won't work anywhere. Once that's done, fire up Amazon and start browsing. Add all the items you want to your cart, just like you normally would. When you're ready to check out, proceed to the payment section. Here's where the magic happens. Under Payment Methods, select Credit or Debit Card. Then, enter your Discover gift card details. That's the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code on the back. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. If your card has a specific billing address, enter that too. It helps with verification. Hit Place your order, and voila, your purchase should go through using the gift card balance. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the card not being accepted, ensure it has sufficient funds and isn't expired. Sometimes, Amazon might ask for additional verification, so keep an eye on that. And remember, this method works best for one-time purchases, but it's a great way to stretch your gift card's value. There you have it, folks. Now you can seamlessly use your Discover gift card on Amazon and snag those must-have deals. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.